Namaste to all. Hope all are safe at home. So this is an attempt by Class 12 Commerce of Parmeka Vidya Mandir along with their teachers to share the knowledge regarding how to fight against the current crisis, COVID-19.
ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ കദന നിവാരണ കനിവിന്നുറവേ കാട്ടിൻ നടുവിൽ വഴി തെളിക്കൂ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ.
COVID-19 is a pandemic. A pandemic is the worldwide spread of a new disease. The declaration of a pandemic is a reference to its spread rather than its severity.
സർവേ ഭവന്തു സുഖിനഃ, എല്ലാവരും സന്തോഷവാന്മാരാകട്ടെ. സർവേ സന്തു നിരാമയാഹ, ആർക്കും രോഗാവസ്ഥ ഉണ്ടാവാതിരിക്കട്ടെ. സർവേ ഭദ്രാണി പശ്യന്തു, എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ലത് വരട്ടെ. മാ കശ്ചിത് ദുഃഖഭാഗ് ഭവേത്, ഒരുവനും ദുഃഖിക്കാതിരിക്കട്ടെ. ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ ഈ പ്രാർത്ഥന അവസരോചിതമാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
Wash your hands regularly and thoroughly with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water.
Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing and sneezing.
Stop touching eyes, ears and mouth because contaminated hands can cause virus to your eyes.
Cover your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze.
Fever, cough, difficulty in breathing, seek doctor immediately.
Inform and follow the advices given by the healthcare providers.
रास्ते भागे पाव से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे, क्यों सोचना है जाना कहाँ, जाए वही ले जाए जहाँ.
Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy and save our world.
Avoid shaking hands while greeting people. Safe greetings include a bow, a wave or a nod.
Be kind and support elders. Help them to get things for their livelihood.
We shall overcome this too. So stay home, stay safe.
Don't spread rumors. Learn more about it.
Follow accurate public health advice from WHO, that is World Health Organization, and from your local health authorities.
Avoid spitting in public.
വിജനതയിൽ പാതി വഴി തീരുന്നു, ചുരിമണലിൽ വീണുവെയിലാറുന്നു, ആഴമറിയാം സാഗരങ്ങൾ നീന്തി നീന്തി തീരമണയാം. കൂരിരുളിലേഖയായൊരോടമാകയോ ചുവടുകളെ തളരരുതേ, ഇടരരുതേ, വരൂ വരൂ പോകാമകലേ.
COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019, we will fight together against this pandemic and wipe off it from this entire world. Stay home, stay safe.
Practice healthy lifestyle including proper diet, sleep and exercise.
Show empathy with those affected.
ഈ മഹാമാരിയെ ചെറുക്കാൻ നമുക്ക് അനുസരണയോടെ ഒന്നിക്കാം.
Throw tissue into closed bin immediately after use.
Use your skills to manage your emotions during this challenging time of this outbreak.
Think of the people who are self-quarantined. They have isolated themselves for you, for me and for the society. So let us respect and salute them.
Develop a perfect lifestyle and develop a good reading habit.
Leave out one meal and a bowl of water for the animals that stray into your neighborhood.
Let us play our part as a warrior in this fight against COVID-19 by maintaining social distancing, caring for elders, do whatever we can do from our part, and stay home, stay safe. And salute to all those who are. Let us also become a part of it.
Eat
only cooked foods. Stay safe. Avoid cool drinks.
बाबरा मन देखने चला एक सपना, बाबरा मन देखने चला एक सपना, बावरे से मन की देखो बावरी है बातें, बावरी से धड़कने बावरी है सांस, बावरी से करवटों से दिया दूर भागे.
Hi all, stay home, stay safe, explore your talents, learn new things, plan what you can do now, stay connected with your friends, your relatives, spend quality time with your family members, focus on hygiene, health and nutrition, use technology productively and find what works for you, do it with passion and love.
That yoga is a great tool to help improve respiratory health and boost immunity, both of which are involved in the prevention and healing from COVID-19. So, practice pranayama for minimum 50 minutes, Surya Namaskar minimum 3 rounds daily to improve spinal flexibility and results in improved immunity.
Be supportive, be careful, be alert, be kind, be ready to fight against COVID-19.
Spend your time with your family and develop a good relation with them.
Show respect to the medical workers who protect us from this COVID-19.
Maintain personal hygiene, follow social distancing, go out only in case of utmost emergency. Stay home, stay safe. Let's break the chain.
Let this lockdown be the time to nurture the positive mindset of ours and to build a positive tomorrow.
Stay at home, stay safe.
നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ ജയരാജ്, പാറമേക്കാവ് വിദ്യാമന്ദിറിലെ അധ്യാപകനാണ്. ഈ കൊറോണ കാലത്ത് ഭക്ഷണമില്ലാതെ വിഷമിക്കുന്നവർ ആരെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങളുടെ പരിചയത്തിലുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് എന്റെ നമ്പർ കൊടുക്കാം. എന്റെ നമ്പറാണ് 8281403040.
COVID-19 virus could lock down us in our own houses. This is a time of realization for all of us that we are not the supreme power on this earth. We are only sharing this beautiful world along with other living organisms. So stay safe, stay healthy.
This is the token of gratitude by Team Commerce along with their teachers of Parmeka Vidyamandir to the health workers for their timeless effort to protect us from COVID-19. We pray for you.